Welcome to the beautiful Girdwood, Alaska. We are on an Alaskan adventure today. And you know that I am always talking about how wonderful bringing freeze-dried snacks are when you are hiking and backpacking. I'm putting my money where my mouth is today. We packed some freeze-dried snacks to take with us on this hike here at the Alyeska Resort. Everyone wave! So the goal is to make it up to that building there. You can see the tram going up and down. If you hike up, you get a free tram ride down. So that's our motivation to get up this mountain. It's my sister, myself, and 5 of our kids. We hope we survive. Do you think we're gonna make it? We're just planning on lots of snack and water breaks. So we will show you our freeze-dried goodies as we eat them. But let's get going up this mountain. We're getting up this first steep part of the hike. We already have this gorgeous view of the Turnagain Arm in the background. And it's just gonna get better from here. So there's some fellow hikers in front of us who spotted a moose right over here, I think behind that tree. So we were just going nice and slow. They're checking it out first, and then we're gonna come up behind them. But we gotta make sure the moose is like not bothered by us. We're at about the halfway point. Here's a cool little creek. We're getting up there. Well, we've come to our first patch of snow. Are we in snow boots? Nope. It's all right. We're just gonna trudge through.
Oh, it feels so nice. That feels really slippery. Come on.
And sometimes it post holes and you sink to the bottom.
What? That's actually true though, bro.
So before we take our stairway to heaven, we're gonna take another little snack break and we're gonna do our first freeze-dried snack.
Oh, yeah, that's why
I am very sweaty. It is, this hike is no joke, but we're rocking it and the kids are rocking it also. But it is so pretty out here. Okay, we are trying our freeze-dried avocado for our first snack. It's just light, crispy, it just breaks in half. Go ahead and take a bite. We want the fuel of the healthy fats from the avocado for the rest of our hike. So this is a great choice.
it tastes like
It's good.
It tastes like the same carrot.
It's an easy way to eat an avocado that's not messy. I really love these.
Want another one? Oh.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it tastes like those freeze-dried carrots that Mommy did.
Oh, good.
Lights up ahead. Look at that lake.
We've come across to the point where we can see the Turnagain Arm out here, which feeds into the ocean.
Down the mountain.
It is so pretty. We've gotten a little bit of cloud cover and it is making it feel much cooler because we were really warm for a while. But the hike is worth these views, that's for sure. We're close to the top. We are so close. Right there. One more little hill to go.
Yeah.
We did it! Everyone cheer, say we did it! Here is what we did. We did 2 hours and 18 minutes, 2.75 miles, 705 calories.
More than
2,287 feet elevation gain. All right, at the top, our celebration snack is our freeze-dried sugar snap peas. Everyone's got some, right? Cheers, cheers. Ooh, these are good.
Yeah.
They're like a real version of those snap peas that they sell at Costco, but they're not really snap peas. These are legit good. No more? What'd you think of it, Jenna? Show
Really
Jenna.
good. Really good.
All right, I'm telling you, freeze-dried snacks for hiking. It's a win. The best part of completing this hike is that you get a free tram ride down. Normally a ride up this tram is $60 for an adult. But if you hike for free and make it to the top, you get to come down for free. So we're about to get on the tram. It's coming up. Once it gets here, we will get on and have a beautiful ride down. Well, we did it. We are heading back to the car. Amazing hike, super hard, but super worth it. Loved the views, loved the exercise, and especially loved the tram ride down. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
My sister is here for another few more days, so if we have any more fun Alaskan adventures, we'll be sure to share them with you. So we will catch you soon. For our next adventure, where we have brought some freeze-dried goodie snacks, we are heading to the Reindeer Farm in Palmer, Alaska, which is super fun. It's a place where you can feed reindeer, moose, and see all kinds of cute animals. So we're super excited.
Just like feeding a horse.
Did anybody else want some? We're gonna do, if you've already fed them once, then we won't do anymore.
Alright guys, now we got to feed some reindeer. Hey buddy. Bye.
You can pet it.
Pet them, don't pick them up. And then our miniature donkeys are napping over there.
That one's so soft.
We have Yeti and you.
So we are ready for a snack. It is nice and sunny and warm and beautiful out today. So I have our freeze-dried grapes, which I made these like 6 months ago. They didn't like necessarily fully freeze dry because I don't know, they're very sugary, so they're hard to freeze dry, but they still seem, they've been vacuum sealed. They seem fresh and delicious. Let's give them a try.
Wait. Thank you.
They taste like candy. These are so good. What do you think?
They taste like freeze-dried Skittles,
Healthy Skittles, people.
but like better because they're a little bit chewier, like a grape. Wow, so good.
Okay, the next snack we brought are my freeze-dried pears and peaches. And these just came out of a can. What's nice about freeze-drying any fruit is that when you're taking it on the go, it's not like wet or sticky. You don't have to have it in a special container. You can just eat it like a chip. Which one are you gonna try?
I'm gonna do the pear.
Okay, and I have the peach. Crunchy, delicious.
Pear is great.
At the end of this video, I will have links to the previous videos where I made all of these freeze-dried fruits because I made them in the past and we're just enjoying them now. But I'll have them linked at the end and in the video description if you want to go back and see how I made these tasty snacks. Well, we've had an amazing day at the Reindeer Farm. It's nice and toasty. I insisted on bringing all these jackets and we did not need them. The last time I was here, it was freezing. We got one more little herd of reindeer to feed and then we are out of here.
What'd you think? Good?
Did you like it, Wes?
Want any more? Yeah. You want to do it again?
Like it, Jack?
All right. There you go. There you go. You want to try it again?
Sure. Maybe not.
All right. There you go.
Taste
Do it again.
Sure.
You could give one to the little guy.
There you go.
Hope that big guy
All
wants
right,
it.
last time.
Oh my
Oh, that one's climbing the fence.
Yeah, don't feed him when he's doing that. We call him trouble. This is trouble number 2.
Oh, okay.
Actually, it's trouble 1.
He's eating the fence.
He's blown more of his coat the last couple days.
We have had the best time with my sister's family here visiting us in Alaska. We're sad their trip is coming to an end. We're gonna miss them so much, but Alaska gave us amazing weather and we've been able to have the most fun adventures. We are currently at the Eagle River Nature Center. We did a little hike to the river. It is absolutely gorgeous out. Clouds are kind of low, so you can't even see the tops of the mountains, but it's heavenly out here. Hope you enjoyed that fun time that we had. I will be back to freeze drying and cooking and all the yummy stuff this week, but we've just been having fun with our family in town. But I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July, and I will catch you on the next freeze drying or cooking or Alaskan adventure.